Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to Top Express. My name is Austin. Wow. I don't know if this is a bullish news, but 510 million Bitcoin option, million Bitcoin option has expired. So get ready, guys. This might be a very strong bullish news, but for so far we have seen the trend of Bitcoin. News does not really fabricate the market again. News does not really push Bitcoin market nor dump the market anymore. So if you could clearly see from here, this huge uptrend candle that pumped here was due to the inflation report, and then this dump that came here was due to the inflation report. If you go on and on, you will see that all those candles that showed up, the massive dump and the massive pump was due to inflation report. Yeah, all those movement was due to inflation report. Here was due to inflation report, and then this massive pump was due to inflation report, and then this massive dump was due to inflation report. And Bitcoin keeps circling. I don't really know, like I said yesterday, what is going to play out in this market in time to come. I don't really know what is going to play out in this market, but so far we have been able to maintain our support line. We have been really tried in maintaining our support line. It hasn't been easy. The market has refused to come above this point where we have been waiting for it. Neither has the market been able to break our support zone here. This is our support zone, and the market has been unable to break our support zone here, and at the same time the market has been unable to break our resistance up here. So let's just say that for time, for how long has it been? Since September, the market has been unable to break out of our resistance. Neither has the market been able to break out of our support zone. Here is our support zone. This supply zone here is our resistance, and the market has not been able to break out. So we have been circling within this range here. You could see when the market tried to make this massive dump on the 13th of October, it did not break. You see, same thing happened right here on the 12th of September. It did not break. Another one happened down here on the 9th of September. It did not break. So you could see, and the market is beginning to form another support zone above our previous support zone. The market is beginning to form a support zone. If you could clearly see it here, from this point here, the market is starting to form another support zone, because this was our previous support zone before the market break it. The market is coming back to retest this support zone again, and the market keeps inflecting. This was just what has been playing out. This was what played out yesterday, and then this was what we see yesterday at 18,900. So the market keeping us within this particular circumference here, and the market keep messing with us. So with this 510 million Bitcoin option expiring today, something massive might be coming into the market. And for your information, guys, Tesla has paid out paper sponsors for those who for those who bought shares in Tether, that is the USDT. Those who bought shares, their Tether has paid them off. So there's nothing that has to do with paper currency in Tether. As it stands now, Tether has paid them all off. So as you could see, this headline of support here has currently been holding up Bitcoin. This headline here has currently been holding up Bitcoin. You could see how the arrow moved. This is how Bitcoin has been held for over 2 months now. Bitcoin has been here since September. This is October. Bitcoin has been in this particular place and has not breaking out. Bitcoin has not breaking out. It has been on this particular zone here, because I believe if Bitcoin should come to this zone here and then break, Bitcoin should break this zone here, I would believe to be seeing something really different from what we have been seeing. If Bitcoin should come and break this zone here, and break this our resistance zone here, that means we'll be having another massive pump towards the upside. If Bitcoin should come and break this zone here, But at the same time, we all should keep an eye on, as we do this, we should keep an eye on support zone, because if it comes and break the support zone, we know that what means we are going to be having a massive downtrend, which I have positioned my zone down here. You could see, though I believe if this market should be sending us down here, that means at this point here I should be having an entry into the market again, because I believe if this is broken, this also will be broken. This also will be broken. This point of 18,200 will be broken, and then we may be heading down to 17,900 or 17,600, where everybody, both the investors, may likely want to take a huge move into the market to make profit. That is where we are in the market. It is only to make profit and nothing more. So far, this massive downtrend here that took us to this point of 18,100 is about to repeat itself down here. So guys, keep an eye on the market. If Bitcoin should break this support zone of 19k, Bitcoin will be heading down even below 18,800 here. So keep an eye. Once that happens, we should be going into the market. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame and see that nothing has really happened in the 4-hour time frame. The market has not really played anything out in the 4-hour time frame. This is where we should be keeping our target at the moment. This is where we should be keeping our target. Once it break out of this zone, we are looking for a huge sell. That's it. So guys, so far this is what we have had on the 4-hour time frame. This is what we have had, and this is what we are currently having on the 4-hour time frame. So I think the trend is beginning to show us a downtrend. With what I'm beginning to see, the trend is beginning to show us a downtrend. But if that should really play out as we will be expecting it, because we still keep our target above this point here, because we believe if the market should come above 2800, the market may likely see 21, and if it withstand the position of 21,200, we should be seeing 22,600. So for now, as the market is holding, this is what we are seeing on the 4-hour time frame. You see that it's going to be breaking towards the downtrend, or we should be pumping above 19,600. That is what we are expecting, and this is what is currently playing at this. This is what is happening right now, guys. This is what is currently happening. If you take a good look at the daily time frame, you could see the descending triangle is still there and it's waiting for us, which is not leaving us to anywhere. So guys, this is the daily time frame. You see what we saw on the 4-hour time frame is currently what is happening at this daily time frame here. We are still bearish, and all this support zone here is more reason why the dump has been so hard on us. You know, the investors are still taking a look at this point, waiting for Bitcoin to give them a flag out for them to come into the market. So this is what is currently holding the market back. See, this is what is currently holding the market down, because the investors keep an eye so much on this market like this. That is what we currently have in here today. So let's take a good look at the Bitcoin expiration and see what is I don't really know if this is a bullish news, guys, but let's just keep an eye to the market as the market feed us well. Guys, that is all we have for today. Looking to trade the market, use our Bygate link. Our Bygate link is still there. Use our Bygate link. Make sure the previous trade is over before you get into the market. Always have the intention of making profit, no losing to the market. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.